Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, May the 26th, 2025. Not a bad day for Asia Pacific equities as Donald Trump's on again, off again tariffs are off again for now, after turning on again very sharply on Friday. So big rallies across Asia today. Not so much at the KSE100 though, which along with Hang Seng was down today, a good 881 points. And whether it was because of budget concerns or tax concerns or IMF concerns or circular debt concerns, technically all we know is that there was a red candle today. So let's use our indicators and oscillators and see what we can make of it. Okay, the first thing to notice here is that this 881 point drop came with the highest volume in 10 trading days. Also, just when the RSI failed at the 60 level, just as we've been observing for the past couple of weeks. This is how it looked like on the hourly chart. The day started off okay, but then just dropped, went below the first hour's zone and then stayed below it. Notice also that the market on the hourly chart again broke below the 50 period exponential moving average today, I think in the third hour of trading. Back to the daily chart, you would have seen once again noticed that since the RSI was not able to break above 60, the market did not have the momentum to break the fourth high. But notice over here that the 50 and 100 exponential moving averages are falling within this big window, this big gap that was formed on May the 9th. And since these two moving averages, which should serve as very strong support levels, are also falling within the large window, which is also, in terms of Japanese candlestick charting, also a support and very strong support and resistance levels. So there is a scope of a coalition and a confluence of factors acting to support the market, but still a small way to go to reach there. But this zone should be monitored very carefully. Volatility, as measured by the 14 period ATR, has declined significantly, but still at 24.22. It remains higher than the KSE average normal. So if there is a verdict on the market, it would be this, that the market has retreated from a failed breakout, an unsuccessful attempt to breach the record high. The momentum indicator failed at the crucial level of 60, but yet there is strong support below. So if you are looking for a position to buy on some dip, then make sure that the possible upturn in the index is also backed by a bounce in the RSI at around this 40 level. That's what we'll be looking at now. Thank you.